Okay, so we're gonna mess with our uh, smart light bulbs. Okay, as you can see here, I have all three of them separated out, so they all can come on different. Now, if you want to do a cool pattern, it's very simple. You just select the one you want, make it red. Let's say it's Christmas time. Make the other one green, and make the other one maybe a warm white, so you can have like a Christmas light look on it. Very simple. Okay. Now we can group all of these together, and we'll show you how to do that in a different video so that you can have them just all come on at the same time, do the same pattern, which is what you'll want to do for most of it. But for this part, we're just going to show you how to use these smart light bulbs. Okay. So just click into one that you want to mess with. Okay. As you can see, it's changing it. This is very self-explanatory. You're just sliding around, choosing the color you want. Now it can do other things, more things than we have time to show you. So if you want to figure out how to use all these different options, go for it. Anything we want to show you is all the way over to the right on the bottom. There's a bunch of different patterns that this can do. For Halloween, there's a lightning effect, there's a flame effect that you can go in, and pretty much everything in the app, if you press and hold, you can edit it. So like that one, we're going to edit it so that way we can change up how it breathes, what color it switches over to. So you want to put like a slight orange in there so it kind of looks more like a flame. You want to change up the brightness of that stage of the breathe. Like there's a lot you can do with it, and it would take an hour long for us to go through it. So just sit out on the patio and experiment with it. Okay. Now, the other thing is we can add more in. There's a few more options. The candlelight's probably my favorite because it looks the most authentic, like a flame that's flickering. And so use that one for if you're trying to give like a flame look at night. And you can go in also, like I said, with this, and you can edit how amplified it is, the brightness of it, how fast it's flickering, all of that stuff. And then you can save this and name it to, candlelight sconce if you want. Okay. Now, from here, if you do find a certain pattern that you want and you like, there is an option to go up here and schedule it. And you can schedule it through here and it will come on at a certain time. You more than likely want to do our smart schedule so that these come on and change with the sunset and the sunrise time. Okay. And if you want that, we do have a link to that video in the description below of how to set up your lights on a smart schedule.